Hello. In this example, we will explain how to create, edit, and delete an asset class. An asset class is a tool for classifying products, or SKUs, by assigning properties and loading rules. The first step is to log into the application. You can check if the settings for the server are correct, and also the data source. And we can log in with our email and password. Once we have accessed the application, we click on the Classes tab, Classes button, and we can see that we have primary classes and secondary classes. Okay, we have an empty class which is added by default, and we will create a new one. To do this, we right-click the window, and we see that we have the new option. Okay, this will open a new window in which we will enter the name of the class. In this case, is a test class, and a description. For this class, we will add a loading rule. So product variables or rules, we select one that's for loading, okay? And we see the different options. We have one for side location, bay preference, here to not mix one product with the other, maximum amount per pallet, package level, etc. So we're going to pick the first one, which is side location, okay? Whichever product carries this class will have this rule, okay? For a truck that has two sides, where the products can be loaded by either side, we have a pilot side and a co-pilot side. So let's select the co-pilot side, double click on the window, and we have added a property for this class. We click on save, and this adds the class to the window. In this primary class, it's also called package. If we select the rules tab, we can look it up, test, and we see that it has one rule. Okay. We can also delete this class if we don't want it. We can delete it. Just right click, delete, and we delete the class. Thank you.